Deciding to make juicing a part of your life is an excellent decision on your part. However, this is just the beginning. The next step of the journey is getting all the equipment you'll need. Of course, you'll be required to spend some money initially on purchasing the equipment, but don't balk at the cost. You'll save money in the long run by avoiding all the hefty medical bills that arise due to poor health. Juicing will boost your health tremendously by strengthening your immune system. Let's take a look at the equipment you will need to begin your juicing journey. Juicing basic number 1. A juicer. It goes without saying that you'll need a juicer, but which kind? The stores are littered with tons of brands and models, but which do you choose? For starters, you'll need to decide if you want a centrifugal juicer or a masticating juicer. They sound complicated, like something from Terminator 2, but they're just names. Don't panic yet. The advantage of a centrifugal juicer is that it's generally cheaper and has a higher rotations per minute, RPM. That basically means you'll get your juicing done faster. However, the yield is lower. So, you'll get less juice with the same amount of produce than you would with a masticating juicer. Another downside is that a centrifugal juicer releases heat, which can cause the juice to oxidize. Any juices made with a centrifugal juicer should be consumed immediately. If you're just embarking on your juicing journey or your budget is tight, a centrifugal juicer will be a good place to start at. Masticating juicers are the better option to get if your budget allows for it. While they cost more, the yield is often higher with this juicer. It takes a longer time to extract the juice, but you will get more juice. If you stop to think about it, the cost savings you get from your groceries, since you need less now, will more than cover the extra cost of the juicer over the long term. A masticating juicer doesn't give off much heat, so the juices are not oxidized and can last for 24 to 48 hours in the refrigerator. You can make all your juices for the day all at once and store them conveniently. Juicing basic number 2. A blender. You'll need one of these to make smoothies. Not all fruits can be juiced. Blenders will help you make smoothies out of bananas, papayas, avocados, mangoes, and much more. Juicing basic number 3. Knives. You'll need knives to cut your fruit and vegetables. Ideally, you should only use these knives for your produce and not for cutting meat or other foods. This will reduce the risk of cross-contamination. Juicing basic number 4. A chopping board. You'll need a plastic chopping board to cut up the produce. Avoid wooden boards that tend to become breeding grounds for bacteria. Just like with the knives, only cut fruit and vegetables on the board to prevent cross-contamination. Juicing basic number 5. A peeler. This is a basic item you'll need to peel ginger, cucumbers, etc. Juicing basic number 6. Other equipment. Besides the equipment above, you may need extra items depending on your needs. Glass bottles and/or containers to store the juice, a grater, disposable wooden stir sticks, ice cube trays, etc. are other items that you might need. So remember, once you have the basic items, you'll have all you need to make juices for yourself daily. Over time, you'll discover that the biggest hurdle to cross will be staying consistent. Juicing can be a hassle at times. What's easy to do is also easy not to do. So make it a habit and plan your day well. This will allow you to have enough time to make your daily juice. Juicing is too important to neglect. Good luck.